So, today's spellings, we're going to look at words ending in ENT, ENCE and ENCY. Very similar to last week's, except this time it's an E, not an N. Okay? And annoyingly, with this rule, as with last week's rule, there isn't really a proper rule to be able to sort out words and work out when you should use an E, when you should use an A. There are things that you can look out for, little hints that are helpful. For the E, so ENT, ENCE, ENCY, look out for soft C, soft G, or QU. Okay? But there are lots of exceptions, as we'll talk about in a little while. So although that helps, it doesn't really solve the problem because some words you just need to learn because there are exceptions to the rule. Okay, what do we mean by soft C? What do you know what I mean by soft C?
It almost means like a quiet C sound.
That's what it sounds like, but it means a little bit more than that. Give you a clue, the word circle, that's a soft C, the first C in circle.
Is it C's that sound like S?
Yes, it's when C sounds like an S. So soft C is when C sounds like an S. So now you know that, can you work out what they might mean by soft G?
Would it mean like a J?
Yes, good, well done. When it sounds like a J sound, it's written as a G, but it sounds like a J sound. And QU, obviously, is QU. Okay, so we've got innocent, soft C, yeah, innocent, and innocence. We've got decent, decency, frequent, frequency. They're all ENCY endings. So, and ENT. So that helps a little bit, but there are lots of exceptions. So, we will start by looking at obedient. And obedience. It's one that just has to be learned. It doesn't really follow any particular pattern, you just have to learn it. Okay? And there are a couple more that we'll look at tomorrow. So, you can look out for those things, but actually, for most of them, you just need to learn. Okay? Our 5-6 words this week are yacht and stomach. Today we're going to look at stomach. Where do you think people go wrong when they are spelling the word stomach? Where do you think the problem areas are? Yeah, it's the ACH. You can't actually hear because usually you'd expect CH together to be a ch sound. You can't hear a ch at the end of stomach. We don't say stomach, do we? We say stomach. We don't actually pronounce the H. We just call it stomach. And it usually, if there's a k sound at the end, it would be CK, wouldn't it? Yeah? Like kick. Yeah? Flick. So it doesn't really appear the way it sounds, does it? Stomach. So, can you write down the word stomach and split it up in a way that you think will help you and underline the bit that you think you need to be really, really careful with when you are learning that word. Okay?